Ives is a managing director and senior equity analyst at Wedbush Securities. He covers all these trends on a daily basis. It's great to see you, Dan. Is it fair to say that among the big technology companies, there have been winners and losers tied to this AI theme?
Oh, clearly. I mean, look, obviously led by Godfather of AI, Jensen NVIDIA, along with Microsoft in that sort of Mount Rushmore of AI. But when you look at software, look, there is disruption. And I saw it, in Silicon Valley this week being there because it's essentially sucking budget dollars. It's elongating sales cycles. You have winners and losers, but Salesforce is going to be a winner. I just think it's more timing. Software is a second derivative. A lot of that you're not going to see for another 3, 6, 9 months.
And so they've got to work on that transition. That's the software side. The search part is also so fascinating to me, Dan. We spoke earlier with the co-founder of Perplexity, which has a fast-growing, popular chatbot in a very competitive field. This is a very young entrepreneur, but he has taken plenty of shots at Google and raised the question, will their business be relevant going forward as more people change the way they search? But of course, Alphabet itself is betting very heavily on AI. What are you watching with all of these companies that have huge market share, but also have the risk of losing business in the traditional sense because of the AI rise? So what do they have to get right?
I mean, look, there's a better chance of me running in the Olympics than Google losing market share from a Now, again, and you've never seen me run, but the point is, look, they're stronger getting stronger. And you're going to have disruption. Perplexity, that's a great software in terms of what they've come out with. But that's the reality. This is an AI revolution. It's only 9 p.m. in the party for AI. That's why, in my opinion, this is just the start of a fourth industrial revolution. Google will be a major player.
Okay, I want to zero in on Apple, which you've talked with us about Apple in the past, and there's been a lot happening with the business this year. They shifted away from all the energy that was going into cars. They are very much leaning into AI right now, and we are gearing up for a big developers event where that's likely going to be one of the dominant themes. As someone who's trying to figure out how all the talk translates into bottom line performance, what are you going to be watching for with Apple?
It's going to be a historic moment for Apple because I believe this is now the AI story coming to Cupertino. And the reality is that most people in the world will interact with AI through an Apple device from a consumer perspective. So that's why this is so important in terms of in terms of the stack, obviously OpenAI partnership, and I think a number of other things you're going to talk about. But it's the start of now the consumer AI story, Meta, Apple, Google, among others.
And we're just looking at what Bloomberg's been reporting, including the launch of a passwords app. Can you explain to our audience what the significance of something like that would be?
Look, I mean, they'll have more control from a password perspective, all about privacy and that's part of that Cupertino ecosystem. But realistically, that's noise relative to what we expect on Monday. I mean, Monday, it's about AI coming to Cupertino. That will, and look, it's not just tech. The world will be watching.
All right, so which names are you watching in the market, especially after, in some cases, we've seen a huge flood of money. We've talked about NVIDIA, obviously, getting to that $3 trillion market cap. If you had to advise your clients on the best names, in your opinion, for those who are very interested in having AI in their portfolio going forward, what would be your takeaway?
Yeah, the AI basket, obviously led by Godfather of AI, Jensen NVIDIA, Microsoft. I think AMD is going to be a big player when you look out in the next few years from a semi perspective. And then you look at names like Messi of AI, Palantir, as well as what I view as Salesforce, ServiceNow, and the software layer that's going to benefit. Because software is going to be the natural second beneficiary. And I think software right now is oversold.
And in that transition part that you were talking about with Salesforce, like they have an opportunity to really expand their business, in your opinion?
It's because I view it as Salesforce, we're talking about 6-9 months from what's going to be a renaissance of growth. Betting against Benioff's been the wrong move. And I think what we're going to see, this is an AI revolution playing out. It is a 1995 moment, not a 1999.